For many years, the protest against teaching magic online has been ongoing. The presumption that creators are stealing material from books and educating the public about the secrets to the art form, which has caused global concern. Points such as, how can I continue my career when everything's been taught for free? Books should be the only way you become a magician, have been brought up. I created this video in order to say to you that if it were not for Chris Ramsey, Alex Pandrea and Xavier Spade, I would not be a magician today. What's going on, guys, and welcome back to today's video. We are crossing a boundary, diving into a highly controversial topic, which I think is too important not to talk about. Most of us here on the channel are the new generation of magicians, and I know you can relate to what we'll be discussing. If you're new here, my name's Ross Donald, and if you want advice to become a better magician, consider subscribing and clicking the bell. Let me know in the comments if you learned magic online, but I don't want to waste any of your time, so let's get into it. For people that say that magic shouldn't be taught online, don't really take into consideration that they'll only find it if they're searching for it. And if they are looking for the tutorials, it means that they're genuinely interested, so I think we should encourage that. You see magic appear in your recommended page, but that's because you're a magician and you're searching for things related to the topic. Your audience is very rarely going to see these videos, and when they do, they'll probably just skip past them. Plus, if they actually learn some stuff and they become more knowledgeable, you'll just have to up your skills and make sure you can perform cleanly. You should still be able to entertain your audience, even if they know some of the basics. Plus, the production value and teaching offered is absolutely brilliant. A lot of these videos are well shot, the B-roll is on point, and the cinematography is out of this world. Crediting is given as well, in most cases, which is great because it gives that extra exposure for the creators of the tricks. I find magic generally much easier to learn from a video format because I can see multiple perspectives of a move and I'm able to pause and rewind. It means as well that you get a more accurate representation of how the routine actually looks when performing. Plus, it saves always having to hold a page while balancing the cards at the same time. Books are a great learning resource too, and you shouldn't discard them. I often end up finding effects that I wouldn't have found otherwise. So I have nothing wrong from learning magic with books, but I also have nothing against learning magic online as well. It's good to do a bit of both, but watching the videos is my preferred learning method. Magic shouldn't be something that you have to pay for to learn. We all take in information differently, and I think we have to accept that. Not hate on people who spend so much of their time working on producing the best content possible. Social media in general has allowed magicians to communicate their ideas through video. Moves have been improved upon due to recording and sharing tips online. If magic tutorials were not made free, myself and many other people wouldn't have pursued it any further. The creativity level has allowed a lot of people that wouldn't have wanted to perform magic to still be able to dabble in the art form. Many different creators started online and found a lot of different inspiration there. Like many things, the argument always comes back to money. If they paid to become a magician, then everyone should pay to become a magician. I don't think this is the right approach, and if they were offered for free the resources that we can get online now, I think they would have taken it in the past. Businesses and creative entrepreneurs are moving online because they have accepted the change. If you do magic online and get paid through advertisements, you are on the same level as someone who performs magic at gigs. Lots of new artists are getting recognition in our community who have kindly shared their knowledge. Of course, there are channels out there aimed at exposing magic, which isn't right to break down effects of other performers. That's not what we're discussing though. We're talking about why free magic tutorials is not necessarily a bad thing. Sorry about the rant, I just thought it was a good idea to share my opinion on the whole situation. Showing, teaching and performing magic online. I have a voice to use on the platform, and I just wanted to say thank you to everyone that shared their ideas, routines, tricks and magic theory here on YouTube. It means a lot that people are willing to spend their time to help out others, whether it was just a cardistry move or a card control that inspired me to take up this hobby. Again, if you have any thoughts on this matter, let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and all that good stuff. I put out a new video every Saturday, so you can look forward to that. We're approaching almost 20 videos now, so there's plenty of content that you can watch. Future video suggestions are always welcome if you have any problems, anything you need help on, just ask me. I'll offer as much advice as I can, because this YouTube channel is for you, not for me to watch. So I only put out stuff for you guys. My name's Ross Donald, and I'll see you on the next one.